This is a very common and super frustrating avoidable mistake for the math test, and that is botching the last step. And I do mean the very last step. In other words, you've done all the work and perhaps you've done it all perfectly, and then you go to bubble in your answer and you just bubble in the wrong thing, like the thing that they're not looking for. So we all make these mistakes. I made this mistake many times. You make it enough, eventually you realize, okay, before I bubble in my answer, especially when you've done a lot of work, right? When you've done a lot of work, a lot of setup, a lot of computation, it's easy to forget what you were trying to get in the first place. So get in that habit of just rereading the last part of the question and double checking, are you giving the question what it wants? This is such a common theme across the test, whether it's reading, writing, or math. Give the question what it wants. So are you giving the answer as X when it should be 2X? Do they want Y and you're going to bubble in X? Do they want the number of adult tickets, not the number of child tickets, let's say? Do they want a constant K, not the constant M? Or do they want Bill's paintings, not George's paintings, right? Just double check before you take a split second just to make sure you're giving them the right thing. This will save you from, one or two mistakes that definitely can add up when you're certainly when you're going for a top score, but really anywhere on the scoring curve. So just give that question a double check. Make sure you give it what it wants.